Hello. My name is Andrew, and excuse the messy desktop. I'm gonna give you today a Ren'Py tutorial, very quick. Okay, so first off, no messing around today. Download Ren'Py, all right? It's right here. I've downloaded it already, so just pause the video now if you need to download it. I'm not gonna go through all that, all right? Look, no Wi-Fi. We're not going to do that. So once you downloaded it, click on it. You'll need to start a new project, create a new project. So to come up with this, just continue, put the name of your project. I don't actually want to do this, but I'm going to do it just in case. Continue. It just doesn't even matter. This is just the resolution and the window size. Just continue, doesn't matter. Choose color. This is not important, okay? You can change this later. So continue, and then it'll make your game, okay? Now, does take a while, not very long. Oh no. Spinning beach ball of death. So now you've got that. Okay, you'll need something to script edit, okay? The second most important step. Once you download Ren'Py, you need something to script edit. So I use Atom, which is very useful. Most computers come with something built in to do that with. Some sort of text editor. So you can use one of those, or you can get your own. If you want to change that, I think you go Preferences, and you go Text Editor, okay? And I've put in Atom. So anyway, I think you do it there, but anyway, so go to your script. Once you've done all that, go to your script, and you'll get this, okay? If you play the game, you'll launch it, and everything's built in because you're a lazy asshole. And you can start, and you've created a new Ren'Py game once you add stories and pictures, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so this is all built in. It's as easy as that, honestly. People can load, save their game. You start it, people can skip. You start it, people can save their game already. Oh, look, I saved my useless game. And you can quit, and all that's done. All that's done for you. You don't even need to edit that. Most people do, because to make it look pretty, but who cares? So pretty much what I want you to do is delete literally everything from here. Literally everything. And just delete it all. The first thing you'll need to know if you want to make something is this. Okay? This is something else that I've made. I've got it ready. Yeah, I'm very serious. Let's first take all this away. Start with the first thing. Start with the dumbass. The hash is about, we're going to start with the most useless step. Hashtag means nothing, okay? Hashtag's not important. No one cares about hashtags. A hashtag is a dev note. So it doesn't mean anything about your game. This is a note for yourself. If you need to make a note for yourself, anyone else working on your game, put a hashtag in front of it. It'll be this weird, dulled out color. For next thing, the second thing you need to know, you can space these out as much as you want, really, is defining characters. Because when you think of visual novels, the first thing people think of is characters talking. So you'll need to define a character. So define, and I put A for Andrew, because if you want to write down what people are saying, it's easier to write down a letter rather than my full name. So let's do an F for friends. Equals. You need to put equals a lot, okay? So that's pretty much what it is. Also character, because it's a character, and it needs to be in capital letters, because it's special. And then any note about the character must be in brackets, and the name will be in quotes, because, you know, it's a name. And you can put it in. Okay. There's other stuff you can do, like change the color and stuff, but this is basic. We're not doing that right now. So we have two characters. It's as easy as that. This is how you do it. If you want to start your actual game, you'll need to write label start. And labels are very important. But at the moment, the only thing you need to know is the start label, okay? So put this at the end of it, start of anything. at the start of before you start speaking. So I say hello, Fran says bye. Now make sure you write what anyone's saying in quotes right after the letter. And you can put like full stops in there and stuff if you want. And then if you want to end your game, type return. That's a built-in command there. So if you launch your project, you get the same thing here. Start, you've created your Ren'Py game. Oh, what am I doing? This isn't it. This is the right one? Oh, it was noob. Okay, this is this one. This is the one that the script was. So you can start eek. Yeah. So that's pretty much what I wrote. I just say hi and bye. My computer's being stupid. That's literally it. You can make a linear story with only this knowledge, putting characters in, and then writing random stuff. And then you can eventually just return. No endings. And this is just text. You can make it just a text adventure. Yeah, that's it. That's it. There's nothing else to it. I'm going to show you how to make a very, very basic menu while I'm still here. So if you want some level of choice, so if I say, what is your favorite color? With a question mark. Crap. Okay, so in quotes, then you'll get to choose. So you need to put the menu. Now remember about this colon, because it's like when you're listing something, okay? So you're listing choices in this case. Now also keep in mind there's a tab button. You can press tab or you can just do it like 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is when you get to type your options. Put it in quotes. So maybe you can say red, and again put the colon, because you get to choose. Maybe you get to say something after that. If you want to say something after that, you can go maybe two spaces. You can go red. You don't do this. Let's take that away. Actually, that's too confusing. Red or bloody hell, it's dark. I can't see. Blue. Okay. Now, maybe I'll say something different depending on what you say. So maybe I'll say, 1, 2. I will say, wow, me too, in all capitals for some reason. And if you say blue, then I'll go, ah, too bad. And then you can continue with the rest of the story. Bada bada bada. Okay? So it's literally that easy. Yeah, that's it. And I'll show you other labels soon. So you go start, hello, bye, what's your color? Blue. Oh, too bad. And beautiful game. 10 out of 10. Okay, the last thing I'm going to teach you. So you can do this with anything. It doesn't have to be red or blue. I'm just doing it basic because I'm lazy and I don't have much time. And the last thing. So you can do it so if you say blue, then something will happen. So jump, label, oh crap, blue. This makes no sense to you right now. Jump, label, red. Now we don't have label red, label blue. Let's make this label red with a colon. Label blue. Oh, I didn't spell label right. Okay. So I go, you are awesome. Only say red because I'm color racist. You suck. Okay? Let's take that away, it's confusing. And it'll end the game. Okay? So that pretty much means what you choose will make me say something different. Okay? So you can do that with this, but if you want to write more, quite a lot of text, it might be easier with labels. It might just be tidier, but it's not. You'll find uses for it when you actually start experimenting with this. Oh, I messed up. You'll probably find that you'll mess up at paths like that. Oh, jump blue, okay. You don't write that you're doing a label. So it's called a label, but it's a label. You just call it that. Like if you got a jar and it says jam on it, right? You got a jar and it says jam on it. You don't say, pass me the jar with the label that says jam on it. You just say, pass the jam. So jump red or jump blue. It's actually easier than how I said it. It was. That's silly of me. So you start it. Hello, bye. Elizabeth. My favorite color is red because I want to be my own friend. End. Okay, here's why. You see, the script reads out one after the other. So it goes label red, blah, 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 and then it goes you suck because I haven't put a return. I haven't made it end. So I need 2 return buttons. That's stupid. Now it should work. Okay. So if I choose blue, it says you too bad and I suck. Thanks a lot, myself. So that's pretty much it. That's the basics. If you found this video helpful, I'll make another one. But that's it for today. I hope this helped someone. So thank you. Bye.